In this video, we're going to explore how professional traders and institutions approach the market using a powerful concept called fair value gap, FVG. I'll break it down in a very simple and practical way so you can easily understand and apply it on your charts. This isn't just about theory. I'll walk you through real chart examples step by step, showing you how to spot FVG zones with confidence. You'll also see how these setups can be used in actual trading scenarios, so you get a clear idea of how everything works in real time. Make sure to watch till the end, because each part builds your understanding and helps you trade smarter and more confidently. Now take a close look at the chart on your screen. I've highlighted a fair value gap zone here so you can clearly see how price reacts around it. Notice how, after the initial move, price comes back into this marked area and slows down. This is where the imbalance gets filled. As you can see, the price respects this zone and reacts from it, which is exactly what we look for in an FVG setup. Instead of entering randomly, this gives us a more structured and logical area to watch for potential entries. This is where traders start planning their trades, not based on guesswork, but based on how price behaves around these key zones. When price shows confirmation in this area, that's where a potential entry can be considered, helping you approach the market with more clarity and discipline. Now let's walk through how to approach a trade using this concept in a clear and practical way. For a potential sell setup, the focus is on identifying a bearish fair value gap. Take a moment to observe these three candles carefully. This is the first candle. Next, we have the second candle, which shows a strong move and creates momentum in the market. Then comes the third candle, completing the structure. Here's the important part. Notice the gap between the low of the first candle and the high of the third candle. This space highlights an imbalance in price, and this area is what traders refer to as a fair value gap. In this example, the gap is clearly visible, giving us a defined zone to watch. Instead of reacting immediately, we wait for price to return to this area. As price moves back toward the zone, we observe its behavior closely. Now you can see price approaching the zone and starting to react. There's a visible rejection from this area, which can signal a potential opportunity to consider a sell position. The key idea is to look for confirmation within the zone rather than entering without a plan. For managing risk, one common approach is to place a stop loss slightly above the gap area. For potential targets, traders often aim for structured risk-to-reward setups, such as 1-3 or even 1-5, depending on market conditions and their strategy. This approach helps you stay disciplined and focus on how price behaves around key zones, rather than making decisions based on guesswork. This strategy is actually very simple once you understand what to look for. The main idea is to identify a strong move in price that creates an imbalance, where the market moves quickly and leaves behind an unfilled area. Let's break it down step by step in a clear way. Focus on a 3-candle pattern on your chart. The first candle can be small or slightly bullish, nothing too significant. The second candle is the important one, showing a strong bearish move with clear momentum. Then comes the third candle, which continues in the same bearish direction. Now here's where it gets interesting. Because of this aggressive move, a gap is formed between the low of the first candle and the high of the third candle. This gap represents the fair value gap, and it becomes an area of interest for us. It can indicate a potential opportunity to consider a sell position. For managing risk, a structured approach is important. One commonly used method is to place a stop loss slightly above the fair value gap or above the recent candle high. For potential targets, many traders look at risk-to-reward ratios like 1-3 or even 1-5, depending on the setup and market conditions. Here's another useful tip when you're analyzing fair value gaps. Not all gaps are the same. Some are very small and tight, while others are wider and more obvious. The size of the imbalance can influence how you plan your trade. If you notice that the gap is very small, it often means price moved quickly and efficiently, which can sometimes lead to sharper reactions. In such cases, some traders look for extended targets, aiming for higher risk-to-reward opportunities like 1-8 or even 1-10, depending on how the market behaves. On the other hand, if the gap is more standard in size or relatively large, a more balanced approach can be considered. In these situations, traders often plan for moderate targets, such as 1 to 3 or 1.5, aligning with typical market movements. The key idea here is to stay flexible and adapt based on what the chart is showing, rather than applying the same expectation to every setup. This helps you manage trades more effectively and approach the market with a structured mindset. One important thing to keep in mind when using this strategy is the time frame you choose. It's generally more reliable to apply this approach on slightly higher time frames, such as 5 minutes and above. On very low time frames, price can be more noisy and less consistent, so waiting for clearer structure can help you make more informed decisions. Now let's understand how to identify a bullish fair value gap in a simple and practical way. Take a close look at these three candles on the chart. This is candle 1. Next, we have candle 2, which shows a strong upward move with clear momentum. Then comes candle 3, continuing the bullish direction. Now here's the key observation. Notice the space between the high of the first candle and the low of the third candle. This gap represents an imbalance in price, and this area is what traders refer to as a bullish fair value gap. In this example, you can clearly see how price moves strongly to the upside, leaving behind this gap. Instead of chasing the move, the idea is to wait patiently. Later, when price comes back into this zone, we watch how it behaves. As you can see, price revisits the FVG area, shows respect to the zone, and then starts moving upward again. This kind of reaction is what traders look for when considering a potential buying opportunity. Rather than entering randomly, this approach helps you focus on key areas where price may react. With proper planning and risk management, traders often aim for favorable risk-to-reward setups, such as 1.5, depending on market conditions. The goal here is to follow a structured process. Identify the gap, wait for price to return, observe the reaction, and then consider a trade based on confirmation. Here's another example of a bullish fair value gap setup on the chart. Take a close look at how this one forms. As always, instead of entering immediately, the idea is to wait for price to come back into this gap area and observe how it behaves. If price shows a clear reaction or support in this zone, it can highlight a potential opportunity to consider a buy setup. Because the gap is small, some traders plan for extended targets in such scenarios. Depending on market structure and confirmation, higher risk-to-reward setups like 110 may be considered as part of a trading plan. Now let's take a look at the first trade setup on the chart. In this example, the plan was built around a 1.5 risk-to-reward approach. Notice how everything is structured, from identifying the zone to waiting for price to react. This concept is simple to understand, but when applied with patience and consistency, it can be very effective. If you observe closely, you can see how price moved in the expected direction and reached the planned target area. This is why focusing on structured setups like fair value gaps can help bring more clarity to your trading decisions. The more you practice this on charts, the more naturally you'll start spotting these patterns. Over time, these setups become easier to recognize, and you'll begin to see them forming across different market conditions. A good exercise is to start marking fair value gaps on your charts regularly. Go back to previous price action, identify these zones, and observe how price reacts to them. Consistent practice is what builds confidence and understanding. If you found this helpful, you can support the channel by liking the video, sharing it with others who might benefit, and subscribing for more content. I'll continue sharing more practical and easy to understand trading concepts like this so you can keep improving step by step.